Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to buy Amazon gift cards online. This is a quick and convenient way to send the perfect gift to friends, family, or colleagues, especially when you're not sure what to get them. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. Make sure you're signed in so you can complete the purchase smoothly. Now navigate to the search bar at the top of the page. In that search bar, type Amazon gift card and hit enter. This will bring up all the available gift card options that Amazon offers. Browse through the results that appear and click on the Amazon gift card that catches your eye. Amazon provides various designs and styles, so take a moment to find one that suits your purpose. Once you've selected your gift card, you'll see several customization options. Navigate to the Occasion section. Here you can select from categories like any occasion, seasonal, Amazon, appreciation, celebration, greetings, and memes. Choose whichever category fits the reason you're sending this gift card. Next, navigate to the gift amount section. You'll see a list of preset amounts to choose from. Select your preferred amount that you'd like to send. This makes it easy to decide how much you want to give without any guesswork. After choosing the amount, you'll need to enter the recipient's email address in the designated field. This is where Amazon will send the gift card, so double-check that the email address is correct to avoid any delivery issues. You also have the option to customize the gift message. This is a nice touch that adds a personal element to your gift. Type in a thoughtful message that the recipient will see when they receive their gift card. Now navigate to the delivery date section. Click on the calendar picker to select your target date. This feature allows you to schedule when the gift card will be delivered, which is perfect if you're planning ahead for a birthday or special occasion. Once you've set everything up, look over to the right panel of the page. Here you'll see a button that says Buy Now. Click on it to proceed to the checkout process. You'll then be asked to select your payment method. Choose your preferred payment option from the list, then click Place Order to finalize your purchase. Amazon will process the transaction and schedule the gift card to be sent on your chosen date. And that's it. You've successfully purchased an Amazon gift card online and scheduled it for delivery. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.